The air regulator location should be 3 inches to 4 inches above the water level. For installation, you will thread one air regulator hose nipple into the back of the air regulator holder. Connect the free end of the plastic air regulator hose to the nipple on the back of the air regulator holder, then secure with a hose clamp. The air regulator can be located in the tile above the water level or in the deck. When tiling the pool, adjust the air regulator location so it is 3 to 4 inches above the water level. Place and set with hydraulic cement. The air regulator holder should finish flush with the inner pool wall. Drill a 1/2 inch hole in the tile line, even with the center hole of the air regulator holder. Tile over the air regulator holder. Caution: do not plug the center hole of the air regulator holder. Next, insert the M10 by 80 mm brass screw through the bottom part of the air regulator, the 42 by 11 mm, and the air regulator gasket. Thread the M10 by 80 mm brass screw into the center of the air regulator holder, then tighten with a flathead screwdriver. Install the hose ring and snap the top part of the air regulator into place.